So, Rylie, tell me what happened.
Well, first, two birds attacked me. Then they made me fall out of the sky. Then, yeah, I'm here.
So, two birds attacked you while you were in the sky, correct?
Yes, two birds attacked me in the sky and I fell. And it was so traumatic. So that's why I'm here.
And you're here to press charges on the two birds.
Yes, the two birds and their queen.
Okay, so you want to press charges on the two birds and the queen, correct?
Yes, I want to press charges on them. 'Cause it hurt me so much that those two birds attacked me and the queen just watched.
Okay, then, we'll press charges. You can leave now. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. Goodbye. Wait, before I leave, may I ask, who are you? Well, I'm fucking Edwin. Bum bum! Gasp! I didn't know Edwin was my therapist. Come here, Edwin! Now that I know my therapist is Edwin, fucking kiss me! Well, okay.
Mwah, 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 mwah. Kissing noises, mwah.
Where am I? Hi? Hello, I'm your nurse. Definitely not here because I forgot to add a picture of a nurse. But anyways, you're here because you got a concussion while you fell from a very high height. And you were in a coma for like 50 years. But that's no biggie because you're a vampire now. Slay. And you're about to die now. Wait, what? The end.